Just opt out of. Don't want about your business. You must be religious. This guidance took her time. And you're tired of hearing those same old lines. Looking out for something new. Never felt the same to you. Being out for something new. With me, I won't get on to you.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Make more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the truth, right around the dick. Right around the slap, you know, the dick. I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world.
Ciao. How am I greeting you guys at the end of the day? Like, that is not what I wanted. Greetings, Lee Lovies, and welcome back to my corner of YouTube. If you're new to my channel, a warm welcome. Make sure you subscribe so you're part of the Lee Lovies sweetie. And if you're not new, baby, so waiting. Welcome back home, ciao. You can see the hair is done. So basically, oh guys, there's just a lot going on. I don't even know where to start. First of all, my nail. These are clip-ons. Child, these are clip-ons. I was gonna put this back on and this lasted me a week. If you've watched my previous vlog, you would see that, yeah, I did these nails for the birthday celebration and everything, and they lasted me a week. Right now, like, today is Friday and everything like that, so they proper lasted me. I'm happy. So I was gonna put the one back on, but like, I'm doing my nails, like, I'm actually going to do my nails tomorrow, so there was just really no point, and I'm literally gonna take them out. So yeah, guys, how are you guys? I'm good. I'm feeling a little sexy, a little bougie, a little Miss Party. So welcome to my vlog. This is a maintenance vlog, guys. I'm celebrating my birthday. My birthday is actually the next week, but we're celebrating another one this week, Sunday. This one is a family one, and like close friends, like family friends and everything like that. So that is what we're doing. I actually wanted you guys to come with me, or I wanted to vlog all the errands that we've been running during the week, but then I was gonna expose where I got my shoes, where I got my dress, where I got my after party, where I got my traditional clothes, and that's not what I wanted. So yeah, hopefully I'm able to vlog the actual day and you guys get to see like almost everything. I understand that it's going to be a very hectic day for me, so we gonna see how that goes. So yeah, so like that's why I'm just doing a maintenance vlog. Like, it's just the hair, the nails, I'm doing my brows, and then unfortunately my lashes I'm not gonna do, only because like I want the stick-on thingy-majiggies. Yeah you know. So yeah, also guys, by the way, my dad sent me money, like money. I don't even know whether to expose it or not, but yeah, he sent me a lot of money, so we're gonna be spending that money. In this vlog and everything like that. So we are officially one day away from my birthday thingy. The errands and everything we're still running. Like we literally came from Pretoria. I did my hair at Candy and Co in Menden Mall, and then we went to Mall of Africa. Then we got home because we needed to complete something, and then now we're going to Clearwater Mall. So I don't think I'm gonna vlog that, maybe like here and there, but we're gonna see. Also went to H&M to get a top that I needed for a switch up dress thingy-majiggy that's gonna happen on the day. But yeah guys, anyways, I don't want this to be too long. I'll probably check you guys tomorrow, like when I am going to do my nails and my brows. And yeah, I guess that's all I can say for now. Yeah, I'll see you guys probably tomorrow.
Please leave a message. First of all, get these bitches. I ain't even care about your wishes. You know I'm a different girl. Can't come from a different world. It ain't even worth us splitting. But if you knew what I was.
But they said the same damn thing. My niggas paying top dollar at the holler. Talking about that pretty brown frame. And I don't mean the Impala. This you just hopped out of. More about your business. Must be religion. God done took her time. And it's tired of him, no shame. And I something new. I don't need to look the same to you. And I something new to me. I wanna get on with you. And I something new. I don't pretend to look the same to you. And I something new. I came to know ya. Don't give a damn about the things I told ya. They don't have a clue, but they don't need you like I do. You don't need champagne. Rather be held tight and maintained. I wanna know everything about you. My first I gotta talk to you. Love, something new. We can't look the same. Something new to me. Just to spend some time. Can I talk to you?
Alright guys, good morning. Alright, so it's the next day. It is Saturday, the day before my birthday dinner. I am super excited, but I'm super at the same time. I'm just like so many emotions and everything like that, mixed emotions and everything. So as you can see, the girl done did her brows for the very first time. I've never actually done my brows, so yeah, guys, pretty hurts. Anyway, so I don't know if I said it last night, but like I didn't do the lashes only because we want them. So right now we're just waiting for my mom to finish getting her food. Guys, it's hot. It is so hot. We at some center, Basgroen Village. So we're just waiting for my mom, and then we're gonna go get her dress for tomorrow, and then we're gonna go do our nails. We're going to Dollhouse for the first time. Like, I've seen a lot of influencers going to her and everything, and like there's a certain design that I want, and I'm sure she can do it, so that's why we're going to her. And then from there we're just running more errands and then going home. I bought myself this. I'm gonna get myself wine just so then I could wind down and everything just before tomorrow, because I'm a person who like has anxiety and like I stress so much, so I just want to chill. when I get home, guys. It is hot. It is so hot. It is so hot. Anyways, guys, so that is the update, and yeah, you guys are coming with me. Maintenance vlog, ciao. And then yeah, I think I'm gonna do a separate birthday vlog.